Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Sky Nutrition Mushroom Gummies. So as you can see, this is basically a supplement that helps you with your immune support, energy boost, and a lot more, so better for your overall health. So you just take this, they're basically just like regular gummies. So as you can see, they claim to help you in your mental focus, clarity, brain nerve health, immune support, digestive harmony, energy management, and heart health. So as you can see, they only have 4 reviews here. However, they're all positive as described. We'll see. Thanks. Textbook transaction. Thanks. So as you can see here on Trustpilot, they're also rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with 170 reviews. So let's head on over here. Sleeping deeper than ever. 40 steps morning routine. Workplace anxiety managed. Better lifting sessions. Calmer during work stress. Cheaper than separate supplements. Valuable jumping power. And a lot more since this product seems to be very legit, and if you want a boost in your health or your energy, you should try this gummies for yourself. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.